I am so bored. Let me see how long I haven't posted. Oh my god. Better change my voice.
This is probably good. Oh shoot, I forgot that I'm home alone. I should eat my snacks first. What is this hallway? I never saw that hallway like that before. Maybe I should stay here. I hear some running. Let me open the door. What the hell was that? I think this hallway will be gone soon. Wait, he could take my special book.